Well, hello and welcome back to the Barbecue Trucker. Okay, on this edition, we are going to cook three, about close to maybe a little bit less, but almost inch thick ribeye steaks and one New York strip with it. That's coming up on the Barbecue Trucker. Well, hello, YouTubians, and I know I forget to say this, but everybody seems to say it, so I'm going to say it. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Push the thumbs up to like, push the thumbs down if you don't like it. Please leave a comment if you don't like it. That way I can use your input and your constructive criticism to make things better. Nacho had to reposition here. Let me see if I can. There he is. Say hi, Nacho. Yeah. Okay. He's a shit. Whoops. But anyway, he got down. That's okay. Come here. Hang on. Come here. Come here. There you go. All right. Anyway, like I say on comments, great. If you don't like it, leave. That way I can, do it. If you hit the down button and you don't leave a comment, that just tells me you're one of those trolls that goes through here and dislikes videos, because there's people that do that just for the fun of it. They don't even watch the video. But I don't take any store or put any store into downs, dislikes if there's no comment about it, So anyway, like I say, on this edition of the Barbecue Trucker, we're gonna do steaks. And there's another thing you're gonna see in this video that you're rarely ever gonna see. Very rarely. I should see if y'all can figure out what is the biggest difference. It's not that I've trimmed my beard. Actually, I'll just go ahead and tell you. You will actually see me without a head cover, without a hat or do-rag. And that very seldom happens in public. Because, look, I ain't got none. I'm fixing to shave it all off again. Because just ain't much left. Anyway, y'all sit back and enjoy this video on cooking steaks. And I'll let you know how they turned out here in just a little bit. Be back here in a minute. Okay, guess what we're doing? Now you can see. Oh yeah. Gonna let's see. Wish I could show that better, but I guess you'll all know how to push a button. There we go. And guess what? It's gonna be stuffed portobello mushrooms. Let me move it a little bit. And look at those steaks. The marbling in those steaks. They're already seasoned. Oh, man. This is going to be good. Well, once again at the Barbecue Trucker, you can see we're just starting out. Alrighty. Be back in just a little bit. Okay, welcome back to the Barbecue Trucker. As you can see, we've got some stuffed portobello mushrooms, stuffed with spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, topped with cheese and a little bit of grilling oil. Okie dokie. As you can see, bring it over here. Pit's a little bit hot, but I wanted it that way because I want the grills to be hot. I've turned it down to 300, but that's okay. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put these mushrooms up on the top. Now, look at these steaks. Oh, deliciously seasoned. Look at the end of it here. Look at that end, the marbling in that. Oh, yeah. Alrighty. That was wanting to be a little cantankerous right there. Don't want to get on the pit. There we go. Hey, don't worry about him. Worry about the video. We got professional quality. That's going to do the same thing, ain't it? We're going to fix that. All right. There we go. Thermal preparation has begun. And we'll try to show you what it looks like again here. Oh, wait a minute. Not done quite yet. Let's add a little bit of grilling oil. Oh. Yeah, there you go. That's fine. It's Butcher's Barbecue grilling oil, just to kind of get them started in the right frame of mind. Alrighty then. Okay. And we'll turn them here in just a little bit, do the same thing with the grilling oil, and we're going to keep putting grilling oil on them all throughout the cook. It won't take a real long time. But I'll tell you what, let's do real quick. Just so we can, oh boy, that's going to be a tender steak right there. Woo, all the way through it. And the second one will go in right there. Okay, now let's let those get happy, and we'll be back here in just a little bit. Hello, welcome back to the Barbecue Trucker. And aren't they beautiful? I should have waited to put these in. But anyway, I just wanted to turn them. And then we're gonna put a little bit of grilling oil on there. All right, and then that'll do it for this one. Thank you. We'll put the probes in later. Okay, wasn't that pretty cool? Simple, easy. As far as the grilling oil goes, very good. I'll tell you what, the steaks turned out one of the best steaks I've ever eaten in my life. I mean, golly. Especially for, believe it or not, those were Walmart steaks. Walmart has stepped up their game a little bit on meat now. Not all of it. You got to look, but always look for that marbling. And these steaks turned out beautifully cooked, medium rare, and delicious. I mean, to tell you, like you can nearly cut with a fork. I mean, just melt in your mouth. That grilling oil made them delicious. And I totally am going to use grilling oil every time I grill. But I think I'm going to start making it myself, like before I ever cook. That way I can flavor it the way I want it. For one thing, I mean, I like this Butcher's. Don't get me wrong. But I think I can make it for more than less, for more than less. That was an oxymoron. For well less than half of what I'm paying for it from Butcher's. But anyway, like I say, those steaks were delicious. And I guess I don't know what else to say about them other than they were damn good. Now, the grill marks didn't come out good because I didn't have that grill hot enough. You know, if you're going to want grill marks, you're really going to need to use something that gets a little hotter so you can get up to 600 or 700 degrees so you can put them grill marks on there. But this isn't a competition. This was eating them at home, so I could really care less about the grill marks. But like I say, they turned out delicious. Oh, hang on a second. I got to have me a smaller Starbucks here. Actually, believe it or not, this is not Starbucks. I switched for a little while just for a change of pace. This is Dunkin' Donuts caramel cake or something like that. It's caramel, how you pronounce it, I don't care. But it's good. It's really good. And then I'm gonna go back to my HEB Texas pecan because that's delicious too. And but anyway, so I hope y'all enjoyed that. Simple process. I had the smoker set at 300. Cooked them perfectly. Turned them one time. I put the grilling oil on to start, as you saw, and then put more grilling oil on after I turned them. The mushrooms were, those mushrooms were good. Ain't gonna lie to you, they were real good. But so anyway, until next time, y'all keep that shiny side up and rubber side down. Thank you, military. Thank you, law enforcement. Because if they didn't do what they do, we couldn't do what we do. God bless y'all. God bless America. And tune in again for the next Barbecue Trucker. Bye. Here's your beep, or your boop, or whatever you want to call it. Well, hey, before I close this, I just want to announce a new thing coming to the channel here. Nothing big or anything like that, but at the end of each one of my videos, I'm going to put 2 or 3 recipes on the end of each video. And the recipes are going to be taken, most of them, going to be taken out of this. Now, I'm going to tell you something. These are recipes from older ladies in the church. I don't know if many of y'all or any of y'all, I'm sure a bunch of you have been to covered dish dinner at the church. Is some of the best food you can ever eat. But these recipes are old school recipes, and I think y'all really enjoy them. That's a new feature now on the Barbecue Trucker. Bye, y'all. See you on the next video.